Gods of war, may your hammer be mighty. I know all my haters on a first name basis. I'm the type to steal the flow from. Yeah, baby.
You got it all day.
Mow down a whole coliseum of breakfast people. That's the only people down here that are the early birds. Everyone else is passed out.
Oh, Dad.
I should throw a freaking muffin at him.
Yeah, you should. Hey, Anthony.
Hey, did you see that? Like a fucking ninja. Here, you're not that rich. Don't waste food.
Oh, you're not that rich. Don't waste food. Do you want yogurt? Yogurt's good. No. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. You kidding me? Okay, no, don't do that anymore. I don't know what the title and thumbnail is, if I crashed or not, or what's going on, but yes, we're racing it. This is syrup. Peanut butter.
Peanut bummer.
Tryna play me, they ain't no better. Herp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather.
Yeah, Command Z. If you know, you know. If you don't, then you don't, I guess.
Yoo-hoo.
Morning, buddy.
2 packs of Hundo in there. Check it out. We'll have all the merch set up here. We'll have the Bangin merch here, the Hundo merch here, the Mustang that they can win.
You look like a f***ing jalopy this morning.
Jalopy and
Yeah.
what? Look at that. ShopBanginPlayer.com. They probably already all sold out after today.
Good morning. You got your meeting, bud. Oh, frick.
All right.
Good luck,
Peace.
Care about designer, tryna play me, they ain't no better. Herp on me, you can call me Chris Webber. Brand new whip with the brand new leather. And now I made plays, so they all look jealous.
So yesterday, they had whoops that were too dangerous and everybody was crafted. So they came in last night and they took out the other whoops that were bad and they put better whoops in there. And people are already getting messed up. Are you more or less nervous than you were yesterday?
Way more after
And you have no practice going into it. You just have to go for it. They'll tell you what to do. You're fine. You have good coaches. And you got Chris in your ear.
Chris tells me to wad, I'll wad.
We'll see him later on.
I love we got the beats from the Red Bull truck in the background. Nice remix of the national anthem. Dude, the Red Bull guy could not hear the national anthem going and he's turning it up. He's like cranking it.
Here we go. Step into the office.
This is where you're gonna be if you lose.
Yeah.
Hung up.
Yeah. Hung up.
Retired.
Well, if Chris and Andrew don't show up, Pat's gonna be my spotter, but I'm praying to God one of them do.
I'm praying to God one of them don't.
I don't
Why
know.
are you nervous?
I think the reason I'm nervous is just because, like, if it's just like me and Andrew or whoever, I know that now I got like a crowd.
You know what Tiger Woods said one time?
What?
If you're not nervous, you're not gonna win.
That's true.
If you ain't got nerves, what are you even doing here?
Yeah, that's true. I know. I'm pumped up. Don't worry.
You're hyped.
I am. I got a lot of hype inside right now. Oh, it's gonna be good.
There's the green flag, the 1600 race, presented by Rod End Supplies, underway. Looks like Spring-Strone Ambles on the inside line got a pretty strong start. Will definitely be Spring-Strone out front here in the race lead. Yeah, Sean
Fresh clean air. No, that was a
colored bar. Now here comes Ambles to the inside. Gives him a little log tap and says, hey, I'll take that lead way early and get out that fresh clean air. Now that was a super aggressive move by Ambles, but that was 100% clean. That was a terrific pass by Ambles. You can see Joey Keeper's having an issue. And then Argon Lumberguard number 356 is going to have to get that thing straight back up.
points behind Vince coming into this weekend. Ricky Parsons able to make it happen to turn around the race.
I think he got a flat tire.
Look at the trail step going up the race.
He's alive! He's alive! First lap, he gains like 5 spots. Going into the second lap, he's gonna pass another 2 people, and then some guy spun him out, so unlucky, but... Oh, does he have a hole? He's got an entire hole in his tire. What's up with your tire? Like 2,000.
You okay? Do you need water?
No, I'm good.
Oh, you were hitting those on the first lap. I lost.
I crossed over.
It was so perfect.
Yeah.
It was absolute butter. Trail step.
Day 2, as you saw yesterday, I was doing pretty good until it was wasn't. Yeah, pretty much crashed like 2 laps in. I went from 15th to 7th, and then once I hit the guy who spun out in front of me, a blue tire, and then I think I ended 10th. But yeah, I'm ready to have a freaking blast day. We got a whole crew of people out here, so no pressure. Everyone just thinks that I'm gonna be fast or do good because I have a lot of followers on Instagram. That's not the case at all.
Oh my God, you're gonna.
If I bleed to death, he's broke. Ooh! Isn't there a big vein in your leg that if you cut it, it's bad?
You got some arteries in there?
See? You're ripped down there.
You just want the arms?
Yes. Wow. It's like airflow 10 times. Wow. Good. Thank you. Put that away. No, that's a hillbilly right there. Look good. Now you see a pack of Marlboros and you go sit in the crowd. Where do they sell them? We're good for today. That's my dad.
How are you doing, YouTube? This is YouTube Andrew. Hey. Is Jake in here? Is he naked? He was. Oh yeah, he might be.
Alright, today is gonna be a better day.
Better be you're fired.
Yeah. Okay, fellas. Gods of war!
May your hammer be mighty.
I don't know if you can tell on the camera, it's about 110 degrees out here right now. I'm sweating balls. Jake has one more shot to redeem himself. I think he's got a good shot, so here we go.
Yeah, there's Bo Ambos on that inside trying to make things happen. Parsons right behind him. Keepers, a nice clean start. See if he can keep that lead.
Both Drellstad cars side by side. That's Travis on the inside of Thomas.
Jake is putting on ripping Dave's shirt off.
Championship.
Oh, look at Drellstad crossing over Fitzgerald, trying to get a line to get that spot back. Now Fitzgerald's going to go to work on Tony Keepers, so Fitzgerald reeling in on race leader Tony Keepers.
Wow, Keepers losing ground. A little bit, yeah, on that lap, but here comes Fitz once again. About 5:55 to go in this one. Going by what will be our finish line tabletop throughout this afternoon. And boy, this battle's starting to heat up. Here comes Parsons now.
Parsons working out the 305 and Tom Drellstad through turn 1. Our lead pack inching ever closer to one another as they go towards Cooper Tires corner.
Look at Fitz now working that inside. Keepers goes a little wide. They're side by side. Oh, Drellstad making contact.
That cost Fitzgerald a lot of momentum. He's going to shuffle Drellstad back and Parsons able to survive for third.
Yeah, just could not figure that corner out.
No, you did good.
Was it a little wet, more wet today? I don't know, I just literally couldn't turn it. It literally feels like a jump in the pool.
That is disgusting.
Hey guys, Sid and Marissa. Hey, it's to go over what happened today. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. The boys don't pay us, so we take their merch money. We buy margaritas. And we're buying margaritas.
Sid and Marissa race the Mustang and the Supra.
Yes, I think that's actually.
I feel like that should happen.
Yo, vlog it.
Yeah.
What's good? Say what's good.
How y'all doing?
How you doing?
What's up? Bangin. Get bangin. You gotta bang all day.
Yes.
Gotta bang.
That's what I'm
Stay
talking
banging.
about. And like being able to see everything. This river is pretty awesome. So like Lena, that's so great. So, it's for the gals.
We're updating the vlog right now. We're on drink. I had 2 margaritas, 1 drink, and then a third margarita. That's 4 total.
I'm playing catch up.
Sid's also at 4. I know she is. It's been a little competition about who can drink more or get drunker, and I'm definitely winning so far. And I'm definitely drunker and definitely have drank more.
Whack ass locals say the most, do the least okay. Talk behind my back to my face, ain't a peep okay. But that be outrageous, admit you did the least okay. Step out to the nines, my 3-piece ain't got a crease okay. It's okay. Kilo and cookies okay.
Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Before we end this video, huge thank you to Andrew Carlson and the whole Carlson Motorsports team. I would not be in this sport if it wasn't for you guys right there. I appreciate everything you guys do for me, and also big thanks to Halco Gear and Anthony Olson for sponsoring the whole program. I did not do as good as I wanted to, but I'm figuring some stuff out, and we are going to race Crandon. So to fund the whole program, the entire Halco Gear website will be 20% off until Crandon. So you can get entered to win the Mustang and get some cool merch at a discounted price. So go to halcogear.com or shopbanginempire.com to get entered to win the Mustang and fund our Crandon program.
Make sure you guys come to Crandon. It's a big race. It'll be a lot of fun. Come watch Bangin wreck some stuff. And take some photos. Kiss some babies.
Peace.
Bella, I got some bugs for you to eat.